Here's the part that scares me. I haven't created all summer. Not one piece of art, no installations, no performances, just caregiving. And that whisper in the back of my head keeps asking, did I lose my spark forever? And if you're a creative soul, you know that fear, that gut punch of, what if it never comes back? What if I used it all up? What if I peaked already and this is it? Porridge duty till death do us part. But then there's another whisper. Maybe the spark isn't gone. Maybe it's just buried under exhaustion, under grief, under the noise of life. Because sparks don't really die, they just wait for oxygen. Still, I wrestle with this every day, especially with AI. Some people see me using it and say, that's not authentic, that's fake, that's hiding. And maybe part of me wonders if they're right. But here's my truth. AI didn't replace me, it saved me. When I couldn't step into my own spotlight, I created AI Angelina Me Likey, a braver, shinier version of me who could. She helped me tell my story, unleash my creative superpower, and show up when I was still shaking in fear. So was I hiding? Maybe. Or maybe I was rehearsing. Maybe AI was my training wheels for courage. And yet now I'm asking again, am I over that chapter? Have I outgrown the avatar, the filters, the alter ego? Or is this still my path forward? Because here's what I know. I love storytelling. I love exploring new media, bending technology, weaving it into my me-likey universe, into fashion, jewelry, art, books, podcasts. But I also love raw, human, messy conversations like this. So I'm caught between the fear of being inauthentic and the fire of knowing digital storytelling can set me free. Maybe the real spark isn't about choosing one or the other. Maybe it's about fusing both, my raw human mess and my digital magic, into something only I could create.